Price has finally come to my zone here. Okay, so but you can see that we are in a sell already, and we entered with this small lot size of 0.05. Okay, so price has gotten to this zone already. Okay, so I'm going to open another position, but I want price first of all to break out of this order block level. Okay, so once price breaks out of this order block level, I am going to enter another sell position. Okay, so but you can see how I was able to take this trade, that this is a wedge pattern. Okay, so you can see that this is a wedge pattern and price has broken out of that wedge. So the way the wedge form was that price came here and touched this particular trend line, and it went up first, then it came and touched it here. So this was the first point price came to create that wedge, and then it came here to touch it. Then this was the second touch, this was the fourth touch, this was the fifth touch, and then price broke out of that wedge. Okay, so there are two types of wedge. We have the rising wedge, and we have the falling wedge. Okay, so the rising wedge and the falling wedge. So this is already a falling wedge because price has broken out of this wedge. Okay, so if you don't know what a wedge is, maybe in another video I will do a video on what a wedge is, and then you get to know what a wedge is. But this is how it looks like. Okay, so a pattern is created out of this wedge. So let me go to the 5 minutes time frame so that you can see it clearly. And you can see that price came and tapped here, it bounced up here, it came and touched the trend line here, then this was another touch, this was another touch, and this was another touch. Finally price broke out of the wedge. Okay, so price has broken out of that wedge, and then price has tapped into our order block level. Okay, now remember that price can tap here and start selling back upward. Okay, that is why I want to wait before entering another sell position. So should in case price breaks out, I might take an aggressive entry, or I wait for price to break out, retest, and start selling down. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how I was able to take this trade. Okay, now remember that we started this account using a $3 account. Okay, now this account is $16. Now this is the power of having a good strategy and leveraging on that strategy. Okay, now the challenge with most people is that they want to make it overnight trading the financial market, and it is not possible. If you are an impatient trader, you end up blowing your account. Now by trading this way, I am not scared of losing this account, and even if I lose the account, I won't feel bad because I am not solely depending on trading. Okay, so you want to find out other things and don't put too much of your pressure on trading. Okay guys, so you can see that I can open as many as 4 or 5 positions using this same lot size, and it will not affect my trading capital. So the goal is to be able to take this $3 that is now $16 to over $150, all right, before the end of this month. And it is possible guys. So I just want to show you how to take such a trade entry. Remember, the first thing you want to do is to go to your 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame, and then the first thing you want to do is to determine the trend of the market. Okay, is to determine the trend of the market. So as you can see that the trend is a downtrend. Okay, so it is clear that this is a downtrend, and then the next thing you want to do is to look out for your dynamic support and resistance, which is your moving average. Okay, your moving average. So we are going to look for where price touched as a resistance level. Okay, so I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame, but on the 4 hour time frame here, you can notice that price already touched this resistance zone, telling you that price is rejecting from that level. Okay, so let us go to the 1 hour time frame to look for a good resistance level. Okay, so you can see that this was the level we marked on the 4-hour time frame, and then if you come on the 1-hour time frame, you will see that this was another resistance level. Okay, so price rejecting from there tells us that you can see this candlestick here, okay, rejecting from this moving average. So this gives us the second confirmation that price is wanting to go down. Okay, and then the third confirmation we want to check out for, after looking for the trend and the moving average, is to look for where our order blocks is. Okay, our order block or support and resistance. Okay, remember the first support and resistance is a dynamic one we use using our moving average, while the other support and resistance will make use of it using the candlestick pattern. Okay, so we are going to look for where we can find dynamic support and resistance. Okay, so if you look on the chart, you will notice that there is a resistance somewhere here. Okay, there's a resistance somewhere here, so I'm going to use my toolbox to draw that for you so that you are going to see for yourself, and then you will note that there is a resistance here. Okay, so you can see the resistance here. Okay, I'm going to use my arrow tool to do that now so that you can see it clearly. So you can see that this was the first resistance and price broke out of it. Price came and broke out of that resistance level. Price came and tested here. So this resistance has now become support. Another support tested, another support tested, and then finally price broke out of it. So you can see that price has now tested back again. Okay, so giving us another confirmation. And then on the 5 minutes time frame, this moving average is acting also as another dynamic resistance. Okay, as another dynamic resistance, guys. So that being said, the last confirmation we need is the candlestick pattern, which will be the fourth confirmation, is our candlestick pattern. Okay, so guys, if you note that for the previous 4 to 5 days, it is the same thing I've been teaching you, and because it's the same thing, I've been getting the same result, guys. I've been getting the same result. So that tells you that this is something that works. Okay, if you want to increase your lot size, make sure you are trading maybe $100 or a $500 account. Okay, I am just using this small account to show you that this works. Okay, so you can see that now we are seated at a $17 okay, so you see that we are sitting at a $17 now. So this is how you want to be taking your trade whenever you open your chart. Okay, so I'm just going to wait now for price to break out, and once price breaks out, definitely I'm going to open another position, and then price will retest this zone here and then start selling down. Remember, in the previous video I told us that the overall direction of this market is a sell. Okay, so we still have more open spaces for price to go down. Okay, so this will be our target for the month. Okay, this will be our target for the month, even for up to it's not even for the month, up to maybe 2 or 3 to 5 months. Okay, we want to be selling. Okay guys, so this is how you want to be taking trade. And lest I forget, please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, I want to welcome you, and I want to congratulate you. I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Also, please turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop useful video like this, and do well also to share this video so that more people will get to see this video and make good trading decisions for themselves. So guys, if you are just seeing this video now and you want to take a sell, okay, you can actually take a sell. Just wait for price to take out this zone. Okay, once price takes it out, you can be an aggressive trader and enter immediately, or you can wait for price to sell a little, retrace back and start selling. Okay, that will be another position for you to take a trade, guy. So you want to do that now and make sure you position yourself for another sell opportunity. So guys, thank you. Make sure you do not over leverage your account and trade only what you can afford to lose in the financial markets. Okay, so whatever you do, please leave a description, a comment in the description box below, and ask any question. Definitely I'll reach out and attend to you. And also drop the country from which you are watching this video, and I'll also reply you. So thanks guys, and see you in my next trading video.